Winter has a way of transforming the world. Soft snow, shimmering ice, and glistening white landscapes that feel straight out of a fairy tale. Now imagine bringing that breathtaking magic indoors. Sparkling lights, frosted textures, white and silver accents, snow-kissed decor, and dreamy winter details that make your home look like a scene from a storybook. A Winter Wonderland theme isn't just decor, it's a whole experience. A cozy, magical, frosty world created through light, texture, and imagination. From parties and birthdays to Christmas or simple seasonal decorating, this theme adds elegance, sparkle, and enchantment to any space. Get ready, because today we're diving into Winter Wonderland decorating ideas that turn your home into a snow-glowing dream. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your home for magical decorating inspiration. In today's video, we're exploring Winter Wonderland decorations and theme ideas, with shimmering white decor, icy textures, silver accents, snowy centerpieces, and dreamy party setups. Whether you're decorating for Christmas, a birthday, a winter party, or simply refreshing your home for the season, we've got endless inspiration for you. Let's step into the magic. What defines a Winter Wonderland theme? A Winter Wonderland theme is all about white decor, silver accents, shimmering lights, snowy textures, and frosty elegance. It creates a dreamy, icy atmosphere inspired by winter landscapes and sparkling snowflakes. What are the must-have decorations for a Winter Wonderland setup? Use faux snow, icicle lights, silver ornaments, white garlands, frosted trees, clear glass decor, and soft white lighting. Combine fluffy textures with glittering elements to achieve that magical snow-kissed look. Love magical winter themes? Like this video and share it with friends. How can I decorate a room for a Winter Wonderland theme? Use snowflake wall decor, white drapery, crystal beaded garlands, and soft lighting. Add frosted greenery, glass candle holders, and shimmering accents to create a calm, ethereal winter glow. What are some elegant Winter Wonderland centerpieces? Try frosted branches in tall vases, faux snow bases with candles, glass trees, or silver deer figurines. Add LED lights or fairy lights to make your centerpiece sparkle. What's your favorite centerpiece? Frosted branches or glowing candles? Tell us below. How can I create a Winter Wonderland theme for Christmas? Use white and silver ornaments, flocked garlands, snow-dusted wreaths, and icy ribbon. Replace traditional red and green with soft winter tones and sparkling metallic layers. What are easy DIY Winter Wonderland decoration ideas? Make snowflake cutouts, cotton snow displays, glitter branches, mason jar snow lanterns, and DIY faux ice ornaments. Simple materials can create a magical snowy effect with little effort. How can I decorate a Winter Wonderland party? Use shimmering backdrops, snowflake balloons, white tablecloths, icy blue accents, and frosty centerpieces. Add a dessert table with white treats and a glowing snowfall light projector. What are Winter Wonderland birthday decoration ideas? Incorporate silver tableware, snowflake garlands, balloon arches, and a white cake table. Add fairy lights and crystal accents to make the event feel elegant and enchanting. Subscribe for more seasonal decor inspiration delivered weekly. How do I style a Winter Wonderland front door? Use a white wreath, frosted garland around the frame, and lanterns with faux snow. Hanging snowflakes and soft lights create a magical entryway that feels warm and frozen at the same time. What color palette works best for a Winter Wonderland theme? Stick with whites, silvers, icy blues, soft grays, and crystal clear accents. These cool tones mimic natural snow and create a serene, luxurious winter look. How can I create a Winter Wonderland atmosphere with lighting? Use cool white LED lights, icicle strands, snowflake projectors, and soft glowing candles. Lighting is the key to creating a shimmering, icy ambiance that feels magical. What are cheap Winter Wonderland decoration ideas? Use cotton for snow, DIY paper snowflakes, Dollar Tree candles, frosted spray paint, and repurposed ornaments. Affordable items can create a luxurious winter look without spending much. Check the description for more budget-friendly winter decor ideas. What are Winter Wonderland ideas for small spaces? Use vertical decor like hanging snowflakes, slim trees, floating shelves with frosted accents, and compact centerpieces. Soft lighting helps open up the space and make it feel airy and magical. How do I decorate a Winter Wonderland dining table? Use a white table runner, silver chargers, crystal glassware, and snowy garlands. Add candles, frosted berries, and shimmering napkin rings for an elegant winter feast. How can I decorate for a Winter Wonderland theme without using traditional Christmas decor? Avoid Santa red and green. Instead, use snowflakes, crystals, silver decor, woodland animals, and lots of white textures. This keeps the theme wintry rather than Christmas specific. A Winter Wonderland theme captures everything beautiful about the season: glittering snow, icy elegance, and cozy winter charm. Whether you're decorating your home, planning a party, styling a birthday, or creating a magical Christmas moment, these ideas can help you bring the frost and sparkle of winter right into your space. Let your creativity shine and transform your home into a shimmering, snowy dream. If these Winter Wonderland ideas inspired you, like and share the video. What kind of winter theme should we cover next? Frosted farmhouse? Snowy cabin? Check the description for our full winter and Christmas decor playlist. Join us for more magical decor ideas every week. See related winter theme videos linked in the description.